Through the dragon's throat, across the dark water, beneath the wall, at the edge of the world, lies the village of Fairhaven. And there, under the watchful eye of Odin, lives a boy called Little Moose and his dog Wolfie. Odin knows their future. He knows the adventures ahead. He knows that they will be heroes, long remembered in tales sung and said. Dragons are everywhere. Most humans don't believe that, but it's true. Wolfie knows all about dragons. Little Moose knows all about them too, but not as much as Wolfie. Even the best humans don't always see what's right in front of them. Wolfie says there are 5 kinds of dragons. Tree dragons are the littlest, water dragons are the middlest, and rock dragons are the biggest. Fire dragons come in every size and are always swooping about. That's why even humans can see fire dragons. Spirit dragons come in all sizes too, but they can be as big as a mountain or as small as a bird. But humans can only glimpse spirit dragons from the corner of their eye. Dragons do not make good house pets. Are you sure this is a cave? Good night, sweet dreams.